Welcome to my schoolhouse. Welcome to my schoolhouse.
You may have seen my previous tutorial, Amazing Health Bars, where we created each health level using its own costume. But so many of you wanted more, asking how can we create a health bar with a beautiful, fluid animation from full to empty without those predefined steps. And it just so happens, I know a really cool trick to achieve just that. Before you ask, no, it's not using pen, because then we wouldn't be able to layer our health bar over other vector sprites, like this. and we want this looking super crisp and high res at all times. Yes, this looks sweet, so how's it done? And this is clever. The health bar is simply made up of two sprites. The base costume is a fixed, half-full health bar. Layered on top of that, we have another half bar, and this one we slide left and right. When combined with the lower bar, this gives us a flexible 50 to 100% health bar. How cool is that? But how do we explain the lower half? Well now, once we reach the halfway mark, we cunningly switch from a half-full bar costume to half an empty bar costume, and with this we continue sliding it down over the remaining base health bar, literally blanking it out as we go. You may have seen my previous tutorial
Are you cramming for a big test in chemistry right now? If so, then you need to look at this right now. Go to flexi.org.
Hello fellow Scratchers, you may have seen my previous tutorial, how's it done? And this is clever. The health bar is simply made up of two sprites. The base costume is a fixed, half-full health bar. Layered on top of that, we have another half bar, and this one we slide left and right. When combined with the lower bar, this gives us a flexible 50 to 100% health bar. How cool is that? But how do we explain the lower half? Well now, once we reach the halfway mark, we cunningly switch from a half-full bar costume to half an empty bar costume, and with this we continue sliding it down over the remaining base health bar, literally blanking it out as we go. Brilliant! So, stay tuned as I guide you through the coding process, but in essence, you should have got the gist. I really like this technique as it only requires 3 costumes to accurately reproduce any level of health. The base, the empty, and the full costumes. Plus, because this health bar is costume based, we can decorate and the full costumes. Plus, because this health bar is costume-based, we can decorate and enhance it to fit any game genre, like those you might see in today's video sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends. I've always had a soft spot for great-looking games, and this mobile game, it's like a true shard. All this treasure will be waiting. Go away and try to work out the scripts yourselves, then wonderful. Take a moment to smash the like button on my video first, and then come back to watch the rest of the video later. Otherwise, let's just breeze through how I went about it right now. Guys, let's get scratching! Start a new project. Now we're keeping the Scratch Cat sprite today, but let's make it draggable on the stage. When green flag clicked, and set drag mode to draggable. And that's in the sensing category, I'm not sure why. And now we can drag the cat around in full screen mode. Nice! Next, let's define how much health our cat has. Make two new variables for this, max health, for all sprites. This is how much health our cat has when they are full. I'm going to set this to 200. Loads of health. The next variable we need is the actual health variable. So call that as when they are full. I'm going to set this is how much health our cat has. As when they are full. I'm going to set this to 200. Loads of health. The next variable we need is the actual health variable. So call that health. Again for all sprites. And set health to max health, so they begin fully charged. Lastly, right-click the health variable reporter and change it to a slider. This will make testing nice and easy. We just need to set the slider range to be from 0 to 200. That matches our max health. Great!
Welcome to my schoolhouse. schoolhouse. Welcome to my schoolhouse. Welcome to my schoolhouse.
Testing nice and easy. We just need to set the slider range to be create the health bar itself. Create a new sprite, naming it Health Bar. Okay, so drawing this health bar is actually probably the hardest part of this process, because to make sure everything lines up and overlaps, we have to be super accurate. So take your time and don't worry if it takes a few tries to get it right. To make lining things up easier, I'm going to switch to bitmap mode, and then zoom right in close. And with the rectangle tool and a solid black fill, count 6 squares to the left of centre, and 1 square up. And being super, it continues another 6 squares. Double check your box edges are perfectly in line with the background grid. If not, you'll have to make adjustments. Cool, this next bit is more fiddly. Now, with a red fill, I'm going to use the brush tool at size 2 to just mark the edge of this costume. This is a size guide, if you need it, but when you get used to using Scratch's paint editor, you may not need to do that at all. And so, with the solid rectangle tool, we draw the inside bar, leaving that same 1 pixel border all the way around. We need to stop exactly at the halfway point here. Wow, I wish we had some Scratch drawing tools to help us line this all up. Right, with that done, I'll just delete that little square. Beautiful. Let's name this costume Base.
Welcome to my schoolhouse.
So, this needs just set size to 300 for this video, but set this to any size you want. And then we want it to go to front of the other sprites, so go to front. And then to ensure it moves with the player, forever, go to player. Of course, we don't want this plonked right on top of the player like this, so add in a change Y by 70. That's
Welcome to my schoolhouse. Welcome to my schoolhouse. Welcome to...
Better. Next up, we need that funky sliding health sprite. Come back into the health bar's costume editor and duplicate the base costume. Then, with the selection marquee tool, carefully select and delete the right-hand half of the costume. I just hit the delete key to delete it. Then do the same for the leftmost edge too. Right, we'll come back to this, but for now, duplicate the costume again. This costume needs moving a full costume width to the left, and this is not a mean feat. What I would recommend is again using the brush to paint a marker where the current costume ends, and then use the marquee tool, select and drag the main costume over to the left, making sure to hold the shift key down whilst dragging to keep the costume on a perfect horizontal level, and drop it lined up with that dot.
Welcome to my schoolhouse.
Nice! Remove the dot.
Is anybody here?
No team? No problem. Manage your online store by chatting with Cody, your AI assistant from Hostinger.
And we should be able to switch back and forth and confirm it's all lined up correctly. Okay, the hard work is over. Phew! Let's name the costume Full. And clicking back into our second costume, we can fill this pure black. Because this costume is our empty costume. Make the sliding health bar rather than a separate sprite. Drop in the create clone of myself just before we begin the forever loop. And then, when I start as a clone, we can duplicate the same forever loop up here so both health bars are doing the same thing. One in front of the other. Now, a clone is always created one layer behind the sprite that created it. So it makes sense for the clone to be the base health bar, in which case we'll drop a switch costume to full just after creating our clone, so that the first loop is now handling the sliding top bar. If we smash the green flag, you'll see that we have managed to position the sliding sprite way off to the left. Don't worry, this was intentional. To get it to full health, we just need to slide it a full... This was in position, the...
my schoolhouse. Welcome to my schoolhouse. Welcome to my schoolhouse.